Why do we celebrate Buddha Purnima? Buddha Purnima, also known as Buddha Jayanti, is the day when Gautama Buddha was born on the full moon day of the Vaishakha, April to May. It is said that Buddha was born and attained Mahaparinirvana, leaving the mortal coils on the same day of Buddha Purnima, having lived on this earth for 80 years. Triply auspicious. Also, Buddha attained enlightenment on this day. Therefore, Buddha Purnima is considered triply auspicious by the Buddhists and Hindus all over the world. The other names of this event are Vaishakh Purnima and Vesak Day. Siddhartha becomes Buddha. Born as the prince of Kapila Vastu, Buddha was named as Siddhartha by his parents. Before his birth, a prophecy noted he shall either become a great ruler or a great ascetic. In fear of losing the crown prince, the royal family confined him to the portals of the palace. Once during his 29th year, Siddhartha came out of the palace for the first time only to spot a diseased man, an old man, and a dead body on the way. The three sights. These three sights made him realize life is full of sorrow and is just temporary. Siddhartha renounced the princely life at once in search of truth in deep meditation inside thick woods. Siddhartha got the most honored title Gautama Buddha once he attained enlightenment or nirvana. However, Bodh Gaya attracts the maximum number of pilgrims on this day. Buddha Purnima celebrations. Over the years, Buddha Purnima has turned as a social, religious, spiritual, and cultural festival. Some of the events organized on this day include Bodhi Dhrum Mela, Sutra Sraban, Sutrapath, Ashtashil, Panchashil, religious speeches and discussions on the Buddhist scriptures, meditation, worship to the Buddha statues, processions, and prayer recitals. In fact, the celebrations often last for over 3 days to 1 week. Bodh Gaya on Buddha Purnima. Bodh Gaya wears a festive look on the day of Buddha Purnima. Lakhs of devotees are seen pouring at this most popular site. The statue of Buddha is bathed with holy waters and worshipped, honored, and celebrated in several ways. Group meditations. People participate in group meditations and resolve to follow the teachings of their venerated master in letter and spirit. Buddha Purnima reminds of the great contribution of Buddha to the lives of men on the earth and serves to instill his message in the hearts of millions across the world. Activities on the day. Buddhists worship Buddha with flowers, incense, fruits, and candles. The statues are given holy bath with holy waters. Buddhists undertake a lot of charity works on this day, including distribution of money, food, and other utilities to the needy. Activities in different countries. In Gangtok, India, a special procession of monks is a very popular event on this day. In Japan, Buddhists decorate the statue of Buddha with spring flowers after performing a ritualistic bath. If you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.